Hey, if your JBL Tune 525 keep disconnecting from your Android device, let's first go into the Bluetooth settings, then click on the settings icon and tap to disconnect and forget your device. Do this like this. Then power off Bluetooth on your device, and now grab your headphones and be sure that you turn them off. So click and hold on this power button, and when the indicator is not activated, it means that they are turned off. Next, click and hold on this power button and wait until it starts blinking blue. There we go. So now we can release, and on your device you just have to repair them. So click to pair new device. Previously, of course, turn on the Bluetooth like I did right now. Click to pair new device, and from the available devices list you will have to select your JBL Tune 525 Bluetooth headphones. Now accept the pairing. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.